Anyone protocol enables any app to instantly and easily run on a decentralized privacy network. Anyone protocol is powered by DePIN, which keeps user data safe and maintains strong privacy standards. This means that people can use apps confidently, knowing their information is secure and not controlled by a single organization. Let's see how you can connect to anyone to protect your privacy. Before connecting to anyone, you can visit check.anyone.tech. Here, you will see a message indicating that you are not connected to anyone. Now open docs.anyone.io in your browser and navigate to the Connect to Anyone section. Here you will find a step-by-step guide for Linux OS, Mac OS, and Windows. As I am using Windows, I will demonstrate the steps specific to that operating system. There are two methods to connect to anyone, via the one-click Windows setup or by installing the NPM package. First, let's see the one-click Windows setup. The first step is to download the provided zip file and extract its contents. Simply click on this link to initiate the download. I have already downloaded the file. As you can see, this is the zip file, and here is the extracted folder. Open the extracted folder, where you will find a batch file. Double-click on this file to run it. This process will take a few seconds to establish the connection. Once completed, you will see your real IP address alongside an IP address provided by a non-proxy. Now if you revisit check.anyone.tech and refresh the page, you will see a congratulatory message. This indicates that you are now connected to a non-proxy and your connection is secure. You can close this command window to terminate the connection, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Type Y and press Enter to disconnect. As you can see, you have successfully disconnected. Now let's see the steps to connect using the NPM package. If you already have NPM and Node.js installed on your system, you can skip the first three steps. However, you can execute the first three commands to proceed with the installation. If you encounter any errors while running these commands, it is advisable to use the installer package instead. Open this link in a new tab. Select the pre-built installer option. Click on the download button and run the setup to complete the installation. As I have already installed this file, I will proceed to the next step. Return to the documentation and copy the fourth command. Open the command prompt. Paste the command and press Enter. The installation process will take a few seconds to complete. Return to the documentation and copy the fifth command. Return to the command window, paste the command, and press Enter. You will receive a Windows security prompt. Please allow network access to the application. Once you receive the Done message, you are successfully connected to the Anon proxy. I have attempted this process multiple times, but for some reason, my connection has not been successful despite receiving the Done message. Nevertheless, this step is accurate, and you can follow this video to connect to anyone and safeguard your privacy. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching.